Was that a no?
She ate none of that.
They said it's going to take a long time for her to even understand what it is. Want some more? What is that, Summer? You're a mess. You're a big old mess. Summer. Summer. Okay, you ready?
She's eating off the thing.
Okay, Summer.
Look at her tilting it up to get
Summer.
more. Summer, I can't see you when you do that. Oh. Hey, Sam. Oh, she actually ate most of that bite, though. Good job, son, Bob. This is so much better than regular formula, guys. Don't stop. Don't stop.
You're gonna need a bath.
There's a look of terror on her face as soon as she takes a bite.
More? Do you want some more? Let's give you another look. Whoa, Summer.
Summer. We're not buying any more couches, so just take it easy.
It's okay. She'd cry if she wouldn't want it, right?
Yeah.
No.
She wants to eat the bib. She ate most of that.
Good girl. Gosh, you're such a clean eater. You're not messy.
She's hiding her
all.
face. Oh,
You're
it's
not messy
running
at all.
down. Oh, that's gross.
Oh.
Here we go. One more big bite, Mom. Get a big one.
You want a little bite?
Nope, big bite.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Was that good? Do you want more? Do you need a bath?
Yup.
That's pretty gross.